backyard, but with one wheels and balloons.
So the basic. Okay. You're not that guy.
Go! I'm that guy.
All right, we asked ChatGPT what game we should play on a one wheel, and this is what he came up with. He said, tie balloons to the back of the board, and we're gonna roll over them to pop them, and it's basically like in Mario Kart, like battle mode kind of deal, and it's kind of like playing tag at the same time. So we're gonna see how that goes, and then the second round, we got some water balloons right here, and we're gonna be throwing that at each other, and first one to get hit most loses. So
and we got the GoPros.
And we also got the GoPros right here. We got one right here, one right there. That's what I'm talking about. All right, the idea of the game is that he has to pop all 3 of my balloons, and we'll see who gets the higher time.
I got one. Oh, that's the one I got.
That's unfair. That's unfair. All right, guys. Well, one of them popped on the way back, but I did have 2 balloons left when we were doing the round, because one of my popped out of nowhere. So, yeah. And now it's Jude's turn. So stay tuned for that.
Get set, go!
Oh, I missed.
Oh my God! I was so close to winning though. All right, guys, we tied. We're moving on to round 2. Water balloons. Let's go.
All right, so we each got 5 balloons in our bucket.
Done, bro.
But we should have given Jude like 10 because he ain't gonna hit me once. Like, I'm gonna be dry after this.
No! That's a hit!
Need an extra ball.
Yeah.
Exclusive.
Give me that.
Don't do it.
No.
Don't do it.
No.
Splash damage. Come on. All right, guys, so we're going to play tag. You have 1 minute, and the last one that's it is the loser. The last one that's it, the last one that's tagged last is the loser. So we're going to play it. Tiebreaker right now. We both tied. Round 1, round 2, we're both ties. So we got a round 3 tiebreaker. All right, rock, paper, scissors, you ready?
Oh, yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Right,
No, get right here, get right here.
I won, no! I won!
Closer up. Come
You better do the same thing.
on. All right, here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
No, I won before that, though.
Let's start at 3. So one more song.
That's bull.
Todd.
All right, 1-1, right?
That's 1-1 because you didn't film it.
1-1. Shoot.
Yeah!
All right, I'm at.
Get on.
All right. No is it. You're going after him, right?
He on my level.
Timer.
1 minute and counting.
Go.
I'm free. Oh, he's already off one look. Got it.
You're not even on your board yet.
I fell off.
He lost. Oh, threw him off. Threw him off. Oh, got him back. No. That's it. That's it. Got back. Got back. Got back. Where are you going? Go catch him. Spook him. Spook him out the other end. Spook him.
Exclusive.
Where are you going? Oh, that's unfortunate.
Bro, I want the pint though.
Go.
What?
Go.
What's it?
Go get me, old son. You gotta commit. Where you going? Where you going? I'm going around here. Up here. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. All right, I lost.
No way. The fight wins.
No, that's too
I
much.
told you the pint
That's
was
too
better.
much stopping in between, bruh.
You want the Vector? Go with it.
It's just cheese. Oh,
Oh, God. Oh,
I got you. I got you. You know you did. You know I did. You know I did. Where are you going? Nowhere. That's where you going. Hit the bucket.
You can go up there?
I'm going all the way. He's going all the way. Sight, you thought, buddy, what? Oh, psych again. Hit it. This one.
Exclusive.
No.
Oh,
What's the time at? Oh.
5 seconds. Oh, I'll pause it. If you get up, you got 2 seconds to get to me. Seconds.
Oh. All right. We got to do 3.
Let's try out of 3.
3. Start. Go.
All right, I'm coming for you. No mercy. No mercy. Let him have it. Let him have it. Oh, he's going for a drop.
Fight's coming through. Fight's coming through. It takes the drop.
Oh, get him. Oh, get him. Oh, cook him. Oh, Dad ate it. Why can't I get him, bro? Sit down.
Exclusive.
20 seconds, too.
20 seconds.
Go, lead it, lead it.
Cut him off. Oh, he didn't expect that one.
Maybe I did.
No. Cut him.
Oh. Fall.
Shoot.
Got back.
How much time? How much time?
19.
Here. Technical issues on the field.
You're gonna press start, right?
Our school board lost track of the timer. We're gonna restart the
The
round.
top one. I'll show you.
On your mark, get set, go!
I almost just know.
Oh yeah, already.
Oh, no way!
Starting close. Starting close.
Getting there. Okay.
Oh, beat him. Beat him outside. Beat him outside.
This is cheese, bro. That's basically.
Oh shoot, he cut that close.
Give me that leg.
Flawless round, you ready?
What's he gonna do? I can't block that. Okay, this is. Come on, get off! Oh shoot! You could have just came up there. All right, we're coming down.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Woo! Flawless victory!
Hey,
Flawless victory!
no.
Go ahead.
All right, guys, we finished just in time. It is storming right now. Like, it is getting ready to absolutely pour, thunderstorm. You can see the wind, the trees blowing around us. So we finished that perfect timing. I won. So we'll catch to the dare another day, I guess. Right? Thanks for watching.
No.
We're gonna have to get the dare another day, unless we could just quickly make one up. But yeah, thanks for.
We'll do it tomorrow.
Hold on, you can get a branch right here.
Tree about the fall?
Some branch.
All right. Hey,
All right.
we'll probably do something with the pool.
All right.
We're gonna do the cut till tomorrow.
Hey, thanks for watching. Check out the new merch right here. BarillaSnaps.com. You can get the hat right here, black or white. The bands? You can get some wristbands. Get all of it. Go check it out. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace. Drinking.